Hey guys, welcome back to another video on FluentFPV, and today I'm going to show you how to get a USB video output from your DJI FPV goggles. So first thing you're going to do is head to the link that I put in the description, and that's going to download this zip file right here. And of course, like any zip file, you're going to right click it and click extract. By the way, this is only on Windows right now, so you cannot do this if you have a Mac, unfortunately. So you're just going to extract it to wherever. I already extracted it, but I'll just do it again to show. I also want to give credit to the people that did this because there was a lot of amazing work that went into it, and it's pretty cool. So full credit to them. DJI video out is the folder that you'll get. So you're going to open that, and then you're going to click on install drivers.exe. It's going to ask if you want this app to make changes to your device. This doesn't show on the screen recording, but you're just going to click yes. All right. And then right here, if you haven't plugged in your DJI goggles already, I would plug them in now, and hopefully it will say bulk interface right there. If you don't see bulk interface, then you can go to options and click list all devices, and that should help you find it if you can't find it there. So if you can't find it there, then it could just be a bad USB cable, but it should show up pretty easily. So I'm just going to select it again, bulk interface right there, and then click install driver. So I'll wait for that. All right, it shouldn't take too long, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. It says the driver was installed successfully, so I'm going to click close, and then I'll also close out of this window too. So next, you're going to see these two files, and these are the two files that you want to open when you do it. Or sorry, these two files right here. So you have run VOC hybrid GPU and run VOC.bat. So what you want to do is you want to determine whether to run either this one or this one. So as you can see, this says hybrid GPU. So if you have a laptop or something that has integrated graphics, then you're going to run this one. But I have a PC that just has its own dedicated graphics card, so I would run this one. And even if your laptop has a graphics card, you may have to run the hybrid one because it still will have an integrated GPU that is enabled. But for me, it's not the case. And the easy way to tell this, if you're kind of confused, is just by right-clicking on your computer. So you can see right here I have NVIDIA control panel, and it doesn't say integrated graphics or Intel control panel or anything like that. So if it says NVIDIA or AMD, that means that you have a graphics card and you want to run this one right here, the VOC. But if it says Intel, even if it says Intel and NVIDIA, you may have to run the hybrid one. All right, so I just plugged in my quad, and I'm going to open up the file. Click run, and it opens right up, and as you can see, works pretty well. It gives you this window called pipe, and that is where your output is. And of course, there's a lot of latency, so I would certainly not use this for flying. However, for spectating, streaming, whatever, this is pretty useful, and is a feature that we've wanted for a long time, so this is amazing. Again, big shout out to the people that worked on this, because without them, it wouldn't be possible, and this is really cool. Certainly very useful, so thank you again. I'll leave a link in the description, of course, and see you in the next video.